Hi guys, short video here about the question how 60 degrees Fahrenheit feels on the skin with different type of humidity or different levels of humidity. And I'm not just talking about my experience or my thoughts. I also want to have your input here because I think it's not very easy to answer. The whole story started actually with some email which I got from a friend. He is currently up in the north. Usually he's living in Florida and now he's spending some vacation in the mountains up in the north in the summer, and he says, yeah, it's 60 degrees Fahrenheit during the night, but it doesn't feel as cold as 60 degrees Fahrenheit would feel down here in Florida. And I was thinking a little bit about that, and I had the impression that this is probably not right, or at least not based on physics. So I went to ChatGPT and asked ChatGPT about the science about that, or at least this is what I expect from ChatGPT, that it sticks to the science. So my question was then here, does 60 degrees Fahrenheit feel less cold with lower humidity? Which was actually the claim of my friend, and ChatGPT confirmed, yes, 60 degrees Fahrenheit can feel less cold with lower humidity. This is because the body loses heat more efficiently in dry air compared to humid air. When the air is humid, moisture on the skin evaporates more slowly, making you feel cooler. And same thing again in different words. You can read that here if you're interested. But for me, that didn't sound really right. I think it's exactly the opposite what I learned in physics, or at least what's my knowledge about physics and evaporation. And so I asked ChatGPT again, thanks, but are you sure about that? Doesn't quicker evaporation mean cooler skin? That should actually be because of physics. And then the reply from ChatGPT was, you're right, quicker evaporation usually means cooler skin. Let me clarify, at 60 degrees Fahrenheit with lower humidity, the air can indeed feel cooler to the skin due to faster evaporation. When the air is dry, moisture on the skin evaporates more quickly, which can lead to a cooling effect, and so on and so on and so on. And finally, again, your initial intuition about quicker evaporation leading to cooler skin is correct, which would mean that my friend is not correct. But is it really like that? Who is right? Am I right? Or was the first response from ChatGPT correct and I've just been able to lead ChatGPT into the wrong direction? So what do you think? What do you think about the physics of evaporation, and what do you think how it really feels on your skin? Maybe it doesn't have to match the physics. Maybe what you feel on your skin could be a little bit different. So if you have any input to that regarding either physics or how it feels at 60 degrees Fahrenheit at different humidity levels, would be really interesting to learn from you what you think. By the way, my thinking is that the original explanation from ChatGPT is maybe not correct because of physics, but sometimes I really had the impression that with higher humidity, almost like fog, it feels a little bit cooler because then the air with higher humidity is more dense, can transport or remove more energy from the skin, something like that. It's a little bit hard to explain without proper English, but maybe you still get the point. Yeah, it would be really interesting to hear from you what you think. Please write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and I still hope I was able to open an interesting topic here for discussion. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.